Hello children, how are you? Thank you, I'm very well. Today we'll start our English lesson with the game 4 pictures and 1 word. On the screen we'll display 4 pictures. Look at these pictures. What unites them? Try to guess the word. Okay? Now the first picture. Yes, you are right. Sense. Okay? Second. You are right. It's atom. Okay. Next. Strong. Okay. And this one. Brain. You are right. So today we have a new lesson. The human brain. Write the date. Please open your copybooks. Children, do you know the brain feels no pain? So today we'll know different interesting facts about the human brain. These are learning objectives on the screen. Today we are going to read, speak, listen to the text about the human brain. Now assessment criteria. You can use 5-6 new words today. Tell about functions of brain and ask questions, answer to them. Now let's watch the video about the human brain.
The human brain. The human brain is the central organ of the human nervous system, and it controls most of the activities of the human body. A human brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms and is divided into 2 hemispheres. The brain consists of 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It processes information from what we touch, see, and hear. It's also the center for speech, learning, and emotion. The cerebellum is the part at the back of your brain. It controls movement and balance. The brainstem connects the brain and the spinal cord, which together make up the central nervous system. Underneath the cerebral cortex are several important structures, including the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, the amygdala, and the hippocampus. The hypothalamus is very small, but it regulates body temperature, blood pressure, and hormones, and controls hunger and thirst. The pituitary gland is connected to the hypothalamus. It secretes hormones and links the nervous and endocrine systems. There is one amygdala in each hemisphere of the brain. They are primarily responsible for emotions. The hippocampus is concerned with memory. What other structures of the brain can you name? Can you describe their main functions?
So students, you watched the video. What was the video about? Yes, you are right. About the human brain, its function, yes, its parts of the brain. Okay. Now also we can see parts of the brain on the picture. And there are words which we need. Hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thalamus, amygdala, cerebrum, hippocampus, cerebellum, and brain stem. Okay, now let's repeat after me the new words, because we'll need these new words in the text. Cerebrum, cerebellum, brain stem, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, hippocampus, amygdala. Now let's read yourselves. Okay. There are no any words. Now try to repeat yourselves. Okay, good, excellent. Now everybody open your books on page 35, exercise number 1. Read the texts A and B. Use the words in bold to label the pictures. These are text A and the text B. I think you have finished reading, okay? Did you understand the text? Okay, now let's label the picture. Okay, the first, yes, you are right, cerebrum. Second, okay. Third, yes, cerebellum. 4, hippocampus. Yes, you are right. 5, yes, amygdala. 6, okay, you are right, pituitary gland. 7 is, yes, hypothalamus. Okay, so we labeled the pictures. Now let's do exercise number 2 on page 35. Ask and answer questions about the parts of the human brain and their functions. I think you asked questions and answered to them. Upload your answers on Kundelik KZ. Okay, I'll check. Now let's answer to my questions. What is the cerebrum? Do you remember what the cerebellum does? Yes, you are right. Where is the pituitary gland? What is the function of the hippocampus? Okay, you answered all the questions very well. Now let's return to self-assessment. Could you do these criteria? Could you use 5, 6 new words? Okay. And could you tell about functions of brain? Okay. And we are very glad that we asked questions about brain and answered to them. Okay. Now, let's take your homework. Make a presentation using a medical model of the human brain to talk about other parts of it. I think the lesson is clear to everybody and the homework is clear to everybody. The lesson is over. Goodbye.